Your mind is going to play tricks on you. It will ask you to find explanations and answers and want you to play a role of a detective. This is the worst thing you are going to do with yourself. Breakups can be very painful. It's like someone is putting a knife inside your heart. Nobody can see it, only you can feel it. And the worst part is we become addicted to this pain. So it is very important to overcome a breakup. And the good news is, it is possible. Many of my friends went through it. I went through it. And believe me, if I can do it, you can do it too. But yes, it is not easy and there is no shortcut to make the pain go away. But believe me, it will not last forever and you will end up being a better version of yourself. Now when you go through a painful breakup, you will go through these experiences. You can't sleep or eat for the first 1 or 2 weeks. You either lose or gain weight. You are checking your phone every 5 minutes hoping your ex sent you a message. You are asking yourself what you have done wrong. You think if you were more beautiful or more handsome, then your ex couldn't have left you. Your thoughts are fighting whether you should erase your photos together. You remember your ex in every corner of your house, street, or basically everywhere. These are the normal reaction of a normal person going through a breakup. So don't be afraid of what you are going through. They will be over soon. To cope up with your breakup, here are some ways that may inspire you to move on. Number 1. Reconnect with your friends and family. When we go through a breakup, we tend to isolate ourselves from rest of the world. We don't want to meet anyone. But you have to do exactly opposite. Reconnect with your friends and family. And if there is someone who is non-judgmental, tell her or him everything that you are feeling. As a human, we tend to develop an attachment system with the people we love, like a child develops with a mother. And when you reconnect with your friends or family, it helps to snap back that attachment system from your ex to them and can help you to move on. Number 2, don't be a victim of your mind. Your mind is going to play tricks on you. It will ask you to find explanations and answers and want you to play a role of a detective. This is the worst thing you are going to do with yourself because you may end up finding some more things that are going to hurt you more. You will win, but at what cost? So just don't fall in that trap. Number 3, block him or her everywhere. Maybe one day you both can be friends again, but now it's not the time. Your heart is freshly wounded and seeing or contacting your ex will only going to make things worse. Number 4, forget about moving on and think in terms of moving forward. Ask yourself what was not so great about that relationship and use it to improve your relationship skills. Get busy and do things to add positivity in your life. Promise yourself to get in the best shape, physically and mentally. And at the last, the memories of your past relationship will never go away. It will just stop bothering you. Our life is in our hand. We have to live it anyway. So make sure you get the self-control. Always remember there's a door of new beginning, new opportunity and a beautiful life. If this video was helpful, if this video has impacted you, please like, comment, share, save. And if you have any friend who is going through a tough time, please tag them below or share this video with them. That's all for today. I am Pratyush. Be conscious.